Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Excel online. To begin, simply open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft 365 website. Log in using your Microsoft account credentials, which grants you access to all your online applications. From there, you can easily create a brand new workbook or open any existing Excel files stored in your cloud storage. It's a straightforward process to get started with your spreadsheets. Once inside Excel Online, you'll find many familiar tools. You can easily enter and format your data within cells and across various ranges, just like the desktop version. Basic formulas, such as sum or average, are readily available to help you perform quick calculations. Plus, organizing your information is simple with built-in sorting and filtering options, making data analysis efficient and clear. One of Excel Online's greatest strengths is its collaboration features. You can effortlessly share your workbooks with colleagues, allowing everyone to work together in real time. It's easy to control who can view or edit your files, ensuring your data remains secure. You can also add comments to specific cells or ranges, facilitating clear communication and feedback within your team. For more advanced tasks, Excel Online offers conditional formatting to highlight important data based on rules you set. You can also insert various charts and graphs to visually represent your information, making complex data easier to understand. Best of all, you never have to worry about losing your progress, as Excel Online automatically saves your work to the cloud as you go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.